Welcome everyone to our next online Excel learning tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, I will show you how to change the grid line color in Excel. So here you can see the grid line color is green for this Excel. So if you want to change your grid line color, then go to File here, then go to Options, then select, select Advanced, then scroll it down under this display option for this worksheet. Select the grid line and click on OK. Now you can see the grid line color is changed to purple. So by this way you can change the grid line color in Excel. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube for more tips and tricks on Excel.